Ready to unlock the secret to crafting flawless, repeating plaid patterns in Photoshop. Let's dive right in. First, create a new document. I am setting mine to 500 by 500 pixels with a white background, but you can adjust the size based on the level of detail you need in your pattern. Now, grab the rectangle tool and draw a thin, vertical rectangle. Pick a color that will serve as one of the main colors in your plaid. Duplicate this rectangle by pressing Ctrl-J or Command-J on a Mac. Then, using the arrow keys, nudge the duplicate a short distance to the right. This creates the first stripe. Repeat the duplication and nudging process several times, creating a series of closely spaced vertical stripes. Feel free to vary the spacing slightly for a more organic look. Select all of the stripe layers and merge them into a single layer by pressing Ctrl or Command on a Mac. Now, duplicate this merged layer and rotate the duplicate 90 degrees. This will give you the horizontal stripes. Position the horizontal stripes so they intersect with the vertical stripes, forming a grid pattern. Experiment with blending modes and adjustment layers like hue, saturation, or color balance to refine the colors and contrast of your plaid. This is where you can really customize your design. Select the entire canvas by pressing Ctrl or Command on a Mac, and then go to Edit. Then define pattern. Give your pattern a name. Create a new document, add a pattern fill layer, and select your newly defined plaid pattern. Voila! You now have a seamless, repeating plaid pattern. Use your new plaid pattern for all sorts of graphic design projects. From website backgrounds to clothing mock-ups, the possibilities are endless. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tutorials.